Setting up Slack for your business is simple and can enhance communication, collaboration, and productivity. Here's how to do it. Sign up for Slack. Go to Slack's website and create an account. Use your business email address for professional branding. Create a workspace. After signing up, you'll be prompted to create a workspace. Enter your business name and purpose of the workspace. Customize the URL for your workspace. Invite team members. Add team members by entering their email addresses. Organize teams by departments or projects to streamline collaboration. Set up channels. Create public channels for broad topics and private channels for sensitive discussions. Use descriptive channel names to make navigation easier. Integrate tools. Connect apps like Google Drive, Zoom, Asana, or Salesforce to centralize tools your business uses. Use Slack's workflow builder to automate repetitive tasks. Customize settings. Add your company logo, update notification preferences, and establish rules for communication. Enable Slack Connect to collaborate with external clients or vendors.